Hey there, little artist! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing a cute scene with a house, a big tree, and a fun swing set. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your markers, paper, and let's make this scene come to life. Let's start with the roof of our house. Draw a triangle shape for the top. This will give our house a cozy look. Now, let's add the main part of the house right below the roof by drawing a square or rectangle shape. Next, let's add a door in the middle so our friends can come in and out. And two cute rounded windows on either side. Imagine all the sunshine coming in. To make it look even cozier, let's add a fence behind the house. Draw some vertical lines peeking up to create the fence shape. Now, let's add a tiny house on top of the first house, like a mini attic room. Draw a smaller square shape with a roof on top of it. Our house needs some shade. Let's draw a big tree beside it. Start by drawing the tree trunk, two lines going up from the ground. Now, let's add the leafy part of the tree by drawing a big round shape on top of the trunk. Imagine it's full of leaves.
La-da-da-da-dee.
Now, let's add a swing set for kids to play on. Draw two triangle shapes for the stands, one on each side. Then, connect the top with a bar across and add a little rectangle hanging down as our swing. It looks like so much fun! Our scene looks awesome, but let's add some more details. Draw some grass at the bottom of the house and tree, and add a few fluffy clouds in the sky. Our scene is all drawn. Now, let's go over our lines and make them bold and sharp to really make it pop. Nice job! Doesn't it look like the perfect little playground? But before it's complete, we need some color. Let's bring our artwork to life with rainbow colors. We'll start with red color. Next, let's use orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
La-da-da-da-dee.
Blue color.
La
Indigo color. Let's add purple color.
Yay!
Pink color. Brown color. Light brown color. Wow! Our cute house scene is so colorful and cheerful. You did an amazing job today. If you loved drawing with us, be sure to subscribe to Toddlers Archive for more fun art. Thanks for joining me, little artists.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.